Good day everybody, my name is Boudewijn Lutgerink. In this short video I'll show you how Mailbox is working, and more than that I'll show you how you can easily create an update package for your applications. So what you see here is the example packages. There are several open here. What we do just for the purpose for this video is use 3 HTML documents, as you can see here, that display as follows. Okay, let me open this one for you. Oops, maybe a little bit shorter. So this is version 1 using test file HTML. Now here is test file 1 using test file 1, and the last one test file 2. So actually what Mailbox does, I'll bring it up now, is it creates virtualized software, which means that, and I'll show that in a different video, what it means is that you get all runtimes or runtime files for any executable in one package along with the main executable. Okay, well, what I'm going to do now is click package options. What we see here, it is package executable, and the main executable will be mbxtest.exe, and we're going to create in this video several packages with a DAT extension with the very difficult to guess password 123. So there are several features here, like the enable anti-crack features. What it does is it makes it crackers a little bit harder to crack your software, and we're also going to encrypt it. So we say OK, we pack it, and we're done. So I say execute a test, and indeed we have here version 1 using file test file HTML. So I say close, I go back to my Explorer, and here is the mbx test, same result. Okay, going back to the packages, what we're now going to do is we open a new solution. Let me drag that here, and I'm going to add one file, the test file 1. Open. Say OK. I select this, say rename it to test file. Remember that in the main executable we created, we had a test file HTML as well, so the name of the file should be the same. So I renamed the test file 1 for this purpose, only internally for Mailbox, to test file. Let's click some options. Well, it's not an executable, and the output file will be mbxtest0.dat, package password as was in the main solution here. Let me open that quickly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I minimize that one. I say OK, and I pack it. So we are finished now. And what we have here is the mbxtest0.dat. Now what I do is I clicked the mbxtest file, and what we see here is version 2 using test file 1. So we say OK. We're going to open the second data pack. We add a file again, in this case test file 2, select it, rename it to test file, we say OK. In the options once again it goes to the folder test, mbx test 1 dit. Say OK, and I say run packet. Oops, there we are again, and I have mbx test 1.dat. So clicking this one, I have now version 3 using test file 2 htm. Now imagine that this is a real life application and that there is an error in this version. So what I will do then is I say rename it like that, whatever, because it always, as you could see in the okay, close, and the, let me close this one as well. In this executable it always loads no, sorry let me see which one I need. This one. It's the executable, it always loads a DAT file, so I renamed the one file, yeah, I'm sure. So I renamed this DAT file to _DT, run mbx test, and we have version 2 back again. It's that simple. So this shows you the basic working of how things work and how you could create a small executable that calls another file. Even more so if I say let me rename this one to _DT. Yep. And I run mbx test, we're back to version 1. I say F2. I've here a DAT file again, yeah, I'm sure. And we're back at version 3. So this gives you a lot of flexibility in maintaining the versions of your application. I will go deeper into it as soon as I have an application ready that extracts data over the internet.